वेदांता सेजा गोवान सगळ्यो मुळाव्यो प्रक्रिया वेळारच पुराय केल्यात। प्रोव्हिडंटाची प्रक्रिया ईपीएफओ कडल्यान मंजुरेची वाट पळयता। आमचे वटेन कसलोच कळाव जायना। दिवचलच्या आदल्या कामगारांच्या प्रोव्हिडंट फंडाच्या वादा संदर्भात सेजा गोवान स्पष्टीकरण दिला। पीएफ काडपा खातीर कामगारांनी 1 नोव्हेंबर 2023 दिसा अर्ज दिल्ले। तेन्ना सावन सेजा मायनिंग कॉर्पोरेशन लिमिटेड कामगाराची थकबाकी बेगीन फारीक करपा खातीर ईपीएफओ म्हटल्यार कर्मचारी भविष्य निर्वाह निधी संघटनेकडेन यत्न करत आसा। पीएफ थकबाकी बेगीन दिवची अशी विनवणी आमी ईपीएफओ करत रावतले, सेजाच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी सांगला।
The applications for withdrawal of Provident Fund were submitted by ex-SMCL workers on 1st of November 2023. Sesa Mining Corporation Limited has since been actively engaging with Employees Provident Fund Organization (EPFO), Government of India for an early release of the workers' dues. We have had 3 meetings with Regional Provident Fund Commissioner at EPFO and have submitted our application in a timely manner. Our expeditious and rigorous follow-up has been acknowledged by EPFO, and the Regional Provident Fund Commissioner conveyed the same to the ex-SMCL workers' representatives along with Vedanta Sesagawa officials in a meeting held on 8th of December 2023. The EPFO has its mandated processes to follow with associated timelines. Vedanta Sesagawa has accomplished all preliminary actions in quick time, and now the process is awaiting clearance from EPFO, and there is no delay on our part. We have been continuously engaging transparently with ex-SMCL workers and extending our full support to them. We are committed to ensuring an early resolution and have left no stone unturned to support our workers. We would continue to request the EPFO to kindly expedite the resolution of PF dues.
सेजा गोवान कामगारांचो पीएफ आडावन दवरला। दिल्ले उत्तर पाळेना म्हणत पणजे सेजा घराचेर पयर मोर्चा हाडिल्लो। त्या उपरांत वेदांता सेजा कडल्यान मिडियाक स्पष्टीकरण येयला। गोवा 365 खातीर महेश गोवेकार आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू।